Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Cart Web Push Notification add-on. Now this impressive add-on allows the admin to send push notifications directly to the web browser. The biggest benefit of push notifications is the ability to deliver notifications immediately. As long as the browser is running, the subscribed user gets a pop-up message from the website without having the site open. Now this improves the user retention and the engagement as well. Now the admin has the option in the admin backend panel to set the web push notification subscription request for the customer as on website load, or by clicking the bell icon there on the notification icon. So right now for this particular demonstration we have set the web push notification subscription request on the website load. So as soon as the website loads, automatically the web push notification subscription request would be created from the customer's browser there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today to show you the workflow at the customer's end and the initial configuration and the rest of the workflow at the admin's end, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the CS Cart web store front end, and right now I have the option here to show the notification from the cscart.webkul.com or the website itself. So I'll tap here on the allow, and after I've tapped on the allow option, you can see that congratulations, you'll be able to receive notifications there. Now this option is because the web push notification subscription request configuration setting has been set to on website load. So on the website load, the web push notification subscription request is automatically sent out from the customer's browser there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you how the admin would be able to send the push notifications onto the web browser of the customers there. For that, what we need to do is we need to log into the admin backend panel, and after we have logged into the admin backend panel, what we need to do is we need to navigate to the marketing section, and here you have to go to the web push notification that lists all of the notifications there. Now here we have three different options. One is the web push notification, wherein you will be able to manage and send the web push notifications. You can see the push notification log, and you can see the push notification subscribers. So let me take you to the push notification subscribers first. So here you can see the registration ID is there. The browser is Chrome browser of the customer. The country is India, the IP address is there, the language is there, and the push allowed is set to web push enabled, and the time is, as you can see right now, on the 24th of December 2018 there. Now after this, now to send the web push notifications, what the admin needs to do is he needs to go to the web push notification and web push notification. Here he'll find the complete list of web push notifications that he has already created. To create a new one, what he needs to do is he needs to tap here on the add new button and add notification template, and that will bring up the section to create a new notification. As you can see here, the admin needs to enter the information for the web push notification by entering the title, the message. He can also add an icon to the same from the local server or using a URL there, and he can set up a target URL for the same. Now I've already created one push notification, so let's tap and edit that up to see what different information are there. So here you can see that we have set the title as sale up to 95%, the message being buy now. We don't have any icon set for this one, and the target URL is store.webkul.com. so if any customer taps on the particular push notification, then he'll be navigated to the target URL that you have entered here within this particular section. Now how to send the push notification? What you need to do is you need to tap here on the notify all users. As soon as I've tapped that up, you can see that the push notifications are being sent out, and here we have the push notification sale up to 95% buy now. So if I tap on that, I'll be redirected to the particular target URL that I had entered, that was store.webkul.com, and the same has been loaded up to the customers there. So this was the workflow at the customer's end, and now let's go back to the admin backend panel there. And this was under the marketing, we had the web push notifications, and under the web push notification we had the web push notification section, wherein we'll be able to create the notification templates, and we can send the quick notifications as well. So we can select a particular notification, and we can also delete that particular notification by tapping on the delete selected option. Otherwise, if you want, you can tap on the add, and you can tap on the send quick notification to send a particular quick notification to the customer's web browser there. So this was about the web push notification section, how the admin would be able to send. Now let's go to the push notification log. Now under the push notification log, we'll be able to see the particular push notification that has been sent out with a particular log, like the total success and the total attempts on the particular browsers, total attempt on the different browsers like Mozilla, Safari and Chrome, along with the time as well. Apart from that, we also have the push notification subscribers that I've already shown you. Here we'll find the particular push notification subscribers. As you can see here, we have the Chrome browser, country is India, and the IP address is this. The language, push allowed as web push enabled. So this was the same Chrome browser that we were using on the customer's end, from where we had subscribed for the web push notification subscription request on the website load itself. Now let's head on to the backend once again. So these were the sections under the marketing, and then web push notification, web push notifications, push notification log, and the push notification subscribers. Now let me show you the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. For that, you have to navigate to manage add-ons, and here you have to search for push notification. And as you can see that this add-on allows the admin to push notifications directly to the browsers there. So here you have to tap on the settings option or the gear icon there, and here we have two different settings. One is the general settings and the other one is the Chrome settings, and we have the Safari settings as well, right? So let's go to the general settings. Under the general settings, the admin would be able to set up the subscription request type, whether it should be on the website load or on the click on bell icon. So here what we get a notification icon, there will be a bell icon to subscribe for the web push notifications by the customers if you have chosen the subscription request as click on bell icon. Otherwise, if you have chosen it as on website load, so as soon as the website loads, automatically the customer would be subscribed to the web push notifications there. Then you have to set up the app name for the manifest file here. For more details about how to get the app name and how to do the other configuration settings for this plugin, you can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video there. So within the user guide, you'll find the complete details of getting the different configuration settings as well. So you'll be able to know how to get the FCM sender ID, the legacy server key for settings as well. Apart from that, you'll also be able to get the certificate import password, Safari website UID, and the allowed domain. So for that, you can check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video there. So for the Chrome settings, what you need to do is you need to enter the FCM sender ID for the manifest file. Similarly, you have to enter the legacy server key for the Firebase cloud messaging, and then you have to enable the create Chrome manifest.json file, and manifest.json file contains the information of the FCM sender ID and the application name there. Then you have to set up the Safari settings, as you can see, by entering the certificates import password, Safari website UID, the allowed domains on which basically you will have the push notifications there. Then you have the key file certificates. So here you have to choose the key file certificates and the information file certificate for the Safari browser itself. And lastly, you have to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings for this particular plugin. That's the CS Card web push notification application itself. So within the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video, you have to navigate to the section that's how to get the API key and the FCM sender ID, and here you'll find the complete details of how to get the same. You can also see how to get the web push certificate there, how to generate it for the different browsers there, for the Safari browser, as you can see, and much more. So yes, that was much about the particular plugin, that's the CS Card web push notification, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.